2008 M45S Infiniti. Got the V8 in it. Got stock 4 catalytic converters. Two here, two here. Then it was true dualed earlier with a Borla muffler, but it was way too quiet. So he brought it to us and we put an X pipe instead of the Borla muffler right there. Installed that to all the rest of the existing pipe that he has. And it was already straight pipe, true duals all the way back. Right there and right there, 2 quad blue flame tips. One right there and one right there. There's the X pipe we installed right there. And I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Infiniti M45 S for sport. We always love to make them louder, not quieter. Quieter is not fun. This is fun. What you guys hear on the inside?
Inside this Infiniti M45S. Let you guys hear it. Righteous.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see